Nothing's ever fucking easy. So here we go. I could not get this apart. This is the bigger white one. There's a small one that came out easy. That bigger white one. Look at that. Look at that. It was I had to break it apart, so we're gonna have to get new ones. Anyway. Right. Finally we got the motor out. Sitting over there underneath a blanket at the moment. Now, to sand this back properly and clean it up, obviously I'm going to get rid of the wiring as well. So let's have a good look at how this goes. It's got this big fat main one here that comes straight up underneath the bottom. And if we have a look at everything, this goes at the back. All this comes through to the back as well. This should be around centered when going back in here. This one here is separate. This is not connected at all. That can just come straight through. And that's all that there. So let's cut it off, cut these ties off. Cut them out. And actually, yeah, it is connected by this white one here that goes to there. Okay. Hopefully that's alright. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off and get that off. Right, okay, look at this fucking mess. Right, so we've taken that clip from here. And then we have another two clips just here that we have to see ya. That runs down to this bit. Can't really see because of the sun, but anyway, that's those two clips I have to take apart as well. That one came out relatively easy. Now for this one, which I'm gonna have to turn the camera off again, but anyway, they're connected as well. Okay, pulling it through now. Another thing is, you got your key start here. Okay, here's the cord, and it's that black one that sits in there with those two white ones. One of them I had to rip apart because it was all just, yeah, like melted together obviously, so I'll get a new one. But yeah, more stuffing around. But that black one connects to that. Righto, next fucking thing. I'm going to take this, if you want to call it a solenoid, I'm going to take this out too. So we've just got to remember what way it goes back. So this will be at the front. That's how we'll be able to tell. Moving on.